In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fixed text in Framer. We'll start inside a Framer project so you can see the full flow from setup to publish. Open the project and head to the canvas. Our goal is to place a text label and make sure it stays exactly where we want it, without being pushed around by layout changes. First, add the text. Click Insert to open Framer's library. Choose Text and place it on your canvas. If the Insert panel collapses or you want to add another text instance, simply click Insert again and repeat. The Insert menu is context-aware and can close after you place an element, so clicking it a few times during this step is normal. After the text is on the page, confirm it's selected by clicking the highlighted layer on the canvas or in the Layers list, so the right-hand Properties panel shows the correct controls. With the text layer active, look to the right-hand sidebar for Position. This is where you control how the layer behaves inside its parent frame. Click Position to expand it. You'll see options that determine whether the text participates in automatic layout or sits exactly where you place it. Choose Absolute. This detaches the text from the parent's flow, letting you fix it at a precise spot within that frame. It won't be pushed by siblings, and it won't reflow when content above or below changes. If you briefly switch to Relative, you'll notice the text returns to the normal document flow and can shift as layout adjusts. That contrast helps you understand what Absolute is doing behind the scenes. For a truly fixed placement within a section, Absolute is typically what you want. To refine the lock-in, use the highlighted pin controls and offsets next to Position. Click the top and left pins to anchor the text to those edges, then fine-tune the X and Y values or padding to set an exact distance. Pinning ensures that as the parent frame resizes, your text remains anchored consistently to the chosen edges rather than drifting. When you're happy with the placement, publish your changes. Click Publish. Let Framer build the update, and then view the result. You should see the text holding its ground exactly where you anchored it. For best results, preview on a few common breakpoints so you can confirm the pins and offsets feel right across device sizes. If something looks off, return to the Position panel, adjust the pins or offsets, and publish again.